What is chemical weathering? When we say chemical weathering, it happens when rocks break down due to reaction with water, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and organic acids. This process forms new substances from the minerals of rocks. In order for us to know how rocks weathered chemically, you need to remember the four words: ocho, oxidation, carbonation, hydration, and organic acids. Let's start with oxidation. Oxygen combined with iron to produce iron oxide or rust. This type of chemical reaction is called oxidation. Rocks with iron-rich minerals are easily oxidized, thus producing rusty colors on their surfaces. Rust softens the rocks. Next is carbonation. When carbon dioxide from the atmosphere dissolves in rainwater, carbonic acid is formed. Precipitation that contains carbonic acid reacts with the minerals in rocks in a process called carbonation. Carbonic acid can easily weather limestone and marble. When pressure and heat are applied to limestone, it will produce marble. Next is hydration. Water weather rocks easily by dissolving their minerals to form a solution or by combining directly with some minerals to form new minerals. Both processes occur as a result of chemical reaction called hydration. And last but not the least, organic acids. A number of plants and animals may create chemical weathering through the release of acidic compounds. Decaying remains of dead plants and animals in soil may also form organic acids, which when dissolved in water affect surrounding rocks and soil. Again, in order for rocks to be weathered chemically, you need to remember these four processes: ocho, oxidation, carbonation, hydration, and organic acids. That's all for today.